Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Slide Design Slide Size. Open Custom Slide Size now so you can control dimensions precisely. Choose Orientation and pick a preset if it matches your need. Otherwise, enter width and height in inches or cm. Once done, check the Slide Size dropdown for landscape versus portrait options. Make sure to note the current aspect ratio. That helps predict content scaling. This first action sets the stage so later steps can handle resizing, cropping, and preserving layout without surprises. Now enter the precise width and height you need and pick the measurement unit that matches your deliverable. When PowerPoint asks, decide. Maximize preserve size but may crop content. Ensure fit scales content to avoid clipping. Choose for layout safety. Once applied, inspect master slides and each slide's placeholders because objects can shift. If items overflow, use guides and align tools to redistribute content. These mid-process choices determine whether you tweak spacing or rebuild a few slides for a clean layout. Finish by scanning slides in Slide Sorter and running slideshow to confirm appearance across devices. Tweak remaining issues with align, crop, and format picture so images and text boxes fit the new frame. Once done, save a copy using a new file name to preserve the original. If things look broken, undo or reopen the original file and retry with Ensure Fit, or adjust the slide master to fix repeated problems. This last step secures a consistent, production-ready slide deck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.